In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your BiP Messenger from your mobile device. BiP is a recently introduced communication application from Nepal. The Chaudhary Group Nepal has recently launched BiP Messenger Nepal in partnership with Turkish company Turkcell. This application allows you to place voice calls, video calls, messaging, and file sharing. Besides this basic messaging, the application is also capable to let users get information regarding exchange rates, weathers, and news. CZ Lifestyle recently launched BiP application with the purpose of spreading information dissemination. If you are already user-friendly to BiP, then you must know that it has a feature that has language transition. Also, users can play different games within the application without having to download the games, which are absolutely free. And also you can follow several sections as per your interest like news, horoscope, traffic details, weathers, and so on. The application claims that the user can send and receive good quality pictures unlike Facebook Messenger and Viber users. The application also gives the ability to video call up to 10 users at a time, and also you can use the follow me feature and serial location if one gives permission for it. And last but not the least, BiP has a safe and dedicated data cloud to back up messages instantly. This BiP Messenger application is available on Android, iOS along with the web versions. So if you have already created an account on BiP Messenger, here's the video to show you how you can log into your account. In order to do that, go to your BiP application and tap on it to open. Once you're on the welcome page, go and tap on continue. Now the BiP Messenger will ask for your phone number in order to send a verification code. Once you have entered your phone number, go and tap on get verification code, and a confirmation pop-up will show up on your screen. Go and tap on yes. Once the BiP verifies your mobile number, you will land onto the profile page. Now on the username text field, you can already see the username, or if it is blank, then you can create a unique username for yourself. Once done, you can go at the bottom of your screen and tap on complete. And once you tap on it, you will have successfully logged into your BiP Messenger account. In here, you will be able to see all of your phone contacts, and you can make calls and send SMS to them anytime. Also, you can add someone to your favorites by long pressing on the contact and then clicking the heart icon that is on the top right corner of your screen. This way, the user will show up on the favorite contact list. And if you ever want to sign out of your BiP account, then you can just go to the bottom right corner and tap onto the more icon. In here, you'll be provided with various of options. Go and tap on settings option. Now go to my account and tap on it. In here, you will be able to see the logout option. You can tap on it whenever you like to sign out of your BiP Messenger account. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.